guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfer. It is me, Chelly. Welcome back, welcome back. Today we're doing another video about digital downloads. We have some new popular digital downloads on our website. So let's go ahead and go straight into the website. We are going to go to flashcustomtransfers.com where all the magic happens, and right on our landing page you can see the newest digital downloads for 4th of July. 4th of July is coming up this week. So this is our America Digital Downloads. Let's go ahead and get into it for only $4.99. Again, this is a digital download. This is not a physical product. So we're going to go into what you can do with these digital downloads. We can create DTF transfers, we can create UVDTF transfers, glitter DTF transfers, glow-in-the-dark transfers, sublimation. You can resell these if you wanted to resell these on Etsy. You can create your own pre-made gang sheets and sell those. You can sell each one of these designs. You can create t-shirts. You can make money off of this $5 that you spend on this digital download pack. You can flip it and create your own income. So let's go. This is for apparel. This is just a couple of examples of what you can do with these digital downloads for DTF. This would be for UVDTF, also UVDTF. Again, this is not a physical product, and these digital downloads are guaranteed high resolution. So with this pack, you get SVG and PNGs, and the PNGs do have transparent background, and again they are high resolution. So let's go ahead to the top tabs and see what other digital downloads we have. So like I said, these were popular ones that people were asking me, do you have bridal, do you have coffee, do you have other things like that? So of course Chelly is going to source bridal party digital downloads. So this comes with very different formats if you want to adjust them. The SVG, you can create your own, like if it says bride drinking party, you can create 2024. You can kind of customize these if you want to put certain names and things like that. So that's what makes that pretty cool. So you can see what you can do if you had like UVDTF here, the tote bag for a DTF. Again, this is digital products. This is not a physical product. A lot of people get confused with that. So then we have the bride, we have the coffee, different things you can do with the coffee. You can actually create this and then sell the coffee mug, create the t-shirt, sell the t-shirt, create the UVDTF, sell the UVDTF. Like I said, we do have glitter and glow in the dark now, or sell the individual images. Let's go ahead and see what else we have. Faith over fear. I am a child of God. Different things you can do with that. And these are all of the other ones. We have Mom Life, which are really popular. Mom Life, digital downloads. And with the thumbnail, you kind of get an idea of what we're going on here. Some jingle bells. Mom, wife, mom, friend. Amen to that. Let's go back. So we have, this is my favorite. I love the Nike inspired football. So it just has different, you can buy, I think this, oh yeah, so $5 you can get all the teams, 32 teams on that one. Perfect for football season. You can sell those individually. You can sell t-shirts. You can sell anything with those. Resell them on Etsy. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is also football, scary football. For football season. Let's see what else we got. Oh, you know what? These hip hop ones are very popular. You can resell those easy. Etsy, a lot of people don't have these. So that pack is $15 and you can make pretty good profit off of those. Let's see. Glitter, shimmer, we have this embroidery effect where you can make words with embroidery effect, which is really popular these days as well. Basketball, Selena, we can't forget about Selena. Create t-shirts. We have all of these t-shirts and all of these UVDTFs of Selena. And with those, we created pre-made gang sheets, just like I am telling you guys to do. So if you go here, oh, with this big sale, you can get all of the digital downloads for $50. So you're not paying individual $15.5, $15.5, all of that, $50, and you get them all. Glitter, America, animal print, all of them right there, $50. So with our new digital downloads, we created pre-made gang sheets. So if you have the digital downloads, but you're not sure how to make pre-made gang sheets out of them, we have created. This is our USA pre-made gang sheets, and these are 22 by 24. So these are just some of the images that come in the pack, and these are for garments, for cloth, things like that. So you can see the tote bag, the beanie. This is our Faith pre-made gang sheet, 22 by 24. All of these images on here are adult size, so about 10, 9, 8 width. So if you see here, Child of God, these are just a few that come on here. Hold on, let's go down. Pray more, worry less. These are some of the images in the pack. This beautiful butterfly. This is the coffee one, a few of these coffees. And these smaller ones are probably like a 5 width. I made them smaller just so they can fit in these spaces, but the other ones are adult size, about 10 width, 9 width, if you can see there. Mama needs coffee. And then this is our bridal pre-made gang sheet, 22 by 24. Again, these are all adult size. These smaller ones are just to fill in. And with the bride digital download, you are able to customize these. These are SVGs and PNGs, so you can use those SVGs to kind of create and customize if you want to enter custom names, things like that. This is, again, for apparel. So down here, you would just choose which A, B, C, or D, which one you want. And we do have faster shipping available if you wanted to get 2-day shipping, next day shipping. If you have a deadline you are needing to meet, you click those. And let's see, let's go ahead and go home. And again, we do have, so those digital downloads are for sale, but we do have free stock images that we do offer for free instant download. I know these say Senior 2023, but you're able to adjust those with the SVGs. We have Autism, Black History Month, Valentine's Day bundle, medical staff. You know, these are mostly the main holidays over here. So all of these are free. All you do would click download. It'll take you straight to it. Straight to it, right there. Here, you hit download, takes you straight to it. So these are free. You can create gang sheets with these, sublimation, DTF, resell on Etsy. These are just a way that you can make money. And then there's no overhead with selling digital downloads. So it is perfect. Let's see what else we got. Like I said, you can use all those digital downloads on DTF transfers, UVDTF glitter, and glow in the dark. And then we have, you scroll down, they're all down here. So if you have any questions, please let us know. And you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com, or you can visit us at flashcustomtransfers.com. But we will see you guys next time. Bye.